Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making a dish for pregnant women that is very useful during pregnancy for the nutritions pregnant women need. It will give you lots of nutrition. That is dill and carrot masala, or you can say soya gajar masala. So we are making soya gajar masala. So let's have the ingredient. Firstly, soya or bill leaf, chopped and peeled carrot, sliced onion, chopped tomato, coriander leaf, chopped garlic, coriander seed powder, garam masala, salt and turmeric powder. So in a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, add 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic, add 1 small sliced onion, mix it and cook till onion is transparent, add a pinch of salt. Now add peeled and chopped carrot around 100 grams, cook for 2 minutes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Now add 2 chopped tomato, add pinch of salt again, mix it and cook it till tomato is soft. Now add bill leaf or soya around 100 grams. Mix it well, cover it and leave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, mix it and add 1 more tomato. Now cover it and leave it for another 1 minute, and after 1 minute your very healthy soya gajar masala is ready. Thank you.